Let's start with something simple. You work hard and try to save, yet your money still grows slower than you expected. This is one of the most common frustrations people have about money. You feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing
Mm,
changes. Most people think the problem is income or luck, but the real issue is simpler. No one ever taught you the correct order in which wealth grows. You're not failing, you're just using the wrong sequence. Once you see the right order, everything becomes clearer. Before money grows in your bank account, it grows in the way you think and decide. Take two people with the same income. One says, I'll save when I earn more. The other says, I'll start small today. 5 years later, one is stuck, the other has options. The difference wasn't salary, it was thinking. Money follows clarity. Shift from emotional reacting to intentional acting. People think wealth starts with a big decision, a big investment, a perfect idea, a major opportunity. But wealth almost always begins with small, repeatable steps. Save $5 a day, that's $150 a month. Invest it consistently, and it grows over time, not because the amount is big, but because the habit is strong. Small steps repeated become compounding. And once compounding accelerates, everything changes. Comparing yourself to others kills motivation, not because others hurt you, but because they distract you. Someone your age buys a house or earns more, and you feel behind. But you're not behind, you're just looking the wrong way. Instead of asking, why them, ask, what can I learn? This turns comparison into growth. People don't fail for lack of talent. They fail because they switch
mm.
directions too quickly. One person jumps between 5 side hustles. Another focuses on one skill for 90 days. The focused person always wins. Money responds to consistency, not chaos. Choose one goal for the next 90 days. A major financial advantage is simply doing work you don't hate. Not love, just not hate enough to quit. Wealth grows from staying, not jumping. Show up long enough, and compounding begins to help you. Your decisions reflect what you consume daily. If your input is chaos, your results become chaotic. If your input is clarity, your decisions improve. Upgrading your information upgrades your financial life. Your environment shapes you more than discipline does. Surround yourself with people who are learning, improving, building. You don't need perfect people, just the right direction. Every dollar you keep becomes a small employee. It works for you even while you sleep. Small, steady decisions create real financial power. Money responds to how you use your best energy. Your first hour shapes your entire day. Use your clearest hours for skills and goals that matter. Mistakes are data, not identity. Each setback teaches the next improvement. Growth comes from interpretation, not perfection. Money compounds, but skills compound faster. 20 minutes a day can change your earning power. Your skill doesn't need to be perfect, just improving. Nothing changes until you take one small action today. Write your net worth, subscribe to this channel, save $10. Small steps shape your future. Wealth rewards persistence, not perfection. Think long term, act consistently, learn continuously. Do that and you won't need luck. Your results will take care of themselves.